4-H Summer Fun participants. I'm Melissa with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, Edgecombe County Center. Helping me today is our summer intern, Grayson.
Hey everyone!
In this video, we will be demonstrating our no-sew blanket kits. If you have registered for our 2020 Summer Fun program with the no-sew blankets, you should have received your kit and you will be able to follow along. So let's get started.
So you should have received our direction sheet that we created for everyone, as well as your blanket kit, and so the only other supplies that you'll need to complete this activity are scissors.
So the first thing you want to do is take your blankets apart. Your kit comes with 2 blankets, one for the front side and one for the bottom. So now that they're apart, all we gotta do is unfold them. Then you want to make sure you find the fuzzy side of your no-pill fabric. The fuzzy side will be a little bit softer and brighter than the non-fuzzy side. You want the fuzzy side to be facing out. Once you find the fuzzy side and it's facing out, then you want to put your 2 blankets together and make sure they're the same size. Now that they're the same size, we'll lay them back down and cut off the corner pieces.
Got the blanket corners cut out, you will now cut the fringe pieces along all 4 sides of the blanket, and so you'll cut both pieces at the same time, and you'll just take it like this and cut it about the width of your finger and just cut through both pieces of fabric until you get to the top, and you'll have your fringe pieces, which we'll later use to tie together. Now that we've cut our blanket on all 4 sides, it's now time for us to tie the 2 pieces of fringe together. So what you're going to want to do next is take your 2 pieces of fringe and double knot them. So you tie it once and twice. And so it'll look like this, and you'll do that all the way around your blanket until you're finished.
Turn 2 blankets into one super comfy one, we are completely finished.
The blanket is now ready to be used for those super cold nights or just cuddling up on the couch.
And remember, it's machine washable. Thanks for watching. Now we're ready for blast off.